Hi everyone, welcome to Brain Studio. Here we have the youngest achiever in Brain Studio. So let us see what they want to share about Brain Studio and how cubing helped them in achieving so many records. What is records? You are all wondering. So let us hear from the parent and the student what are the records that she has achieved in cubing. So yes, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Punaka Chandramodi. I'm 8 years old.
Okay, great.
I'm studying in Baldwin's Girls High School in class 2.
Very good. So you are in second grade, second standard. That's super. How old are you, Punarva?
I'm 8 years old.
You are 8 years old. Super. So, ma'am, the Mesro.
My name is Aruna, myself Aruna. I'm a housewife.
Okay. First thing in the start, Madonna, how did you come to know about Brain Studio?
I was just searching because we were in Switzerland for a few years.
Okay.
Then she showed an interest in Rubik's Cube. So then we came back to Bangalore. We
Okay. Tell me whatever how you got to know about.
Yeah,
Brain
when we
Studio.
came back to Bangalore, I looking for some classes to enroll her. So I got this from Google. When I
Google.
searched it, I got the
Okay.
Brain Studio address and then I enrolled her.
Okay. So this was like last year.
Yeah,
During the
last year,
pandemic
Yeah,
time. you
pandemic
enrolled her?
here, we started classes in Brain
Okay.
Studio. Yeah.
Okay, great. So it was an online session. So were you comfortable? Was she comfortable learning online? Because many parents say online they can't understand. So what do you feel?
No, she is very much comfortable learning online, and she could able to cope up the things very easily.
Okay.
Her communication is also very good with us, so it's very easy for her to.
Okay, great. So ಪುನರ್ವ ಇವಾಗ ತನಕ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀಯಾ?
Like 40 cubes.
You know 40 varieties of cubes. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ವಂತೆ.
Something like 40 cubes.
Something like 40 cubes. So Punarva has learned for her age. She's just 8 years and she has learned 40 varieties of cubes. It's not an easy thing. So what she is having is 3 into 3 Rubik's cube. So 40 varieties is amazing, something great. So now let us hear, she has achieved some of the records. Let us hear from what the records are and what feat she has achieved. So, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಮ್ಮನ ನೀನಾ?
First time I didn't.
First, which was your first record?
My first record was International Book of Records.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What you did?
I saw 35 different types of Rubik's cubes.
35 different varieties of Rubik's cubes, and she was the youngest one to solve that many varieties of cubes. Do you remember the timing, Punarva?
31 seconds.
31 minutes. Yeah, so she solved it in 31 minutes, 34 varieties of different cubes. That's super. That was the first record, so I'll keep the count because there are so many records what you
No,
did.
our first record was International Book of Record, that is 21 cubes in 19 minutes.
21 cubes in 19 minutes.
Then,
Okay, that's great.
Then India Book of Record and Asia Book of Record. For that she did
35 varieties
Yeah,
of
35 varieties of cubes in 31 minutes.
31 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್
Then
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
she
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
also participated in what is that group?
Group records,
Records,
International Book of
yeah,
Records,
yeah.
50
5
students.
cubes in 5 minutes. That's
5 minutes.
50 students. were
50
there.
students. Okay, great. Super, super. So many records on your name. That's amazing. So I heard that you also have learnt blindfolded. What is blindfolded, and can you brief us how you learnt or why the interest was there to learn the blindfold?
Blindfold means what?
Blindfold means closing the eyes and solving Rubik's cubes.
So when the cube is so colorful, we can see and solve.
Yes.
ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಬಂತು?
ನನಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. My mother told.
ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Yeah, tell me why you chose blindfold for her? don't like this, we can edit, not an issue. So blindfold ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು? ಯು ಸಾ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಐಡಿಯಾ?
Yeah, when I speaking to sir, he was suggest me that you can do the cube blindfold also. Then I interested ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ, so she can do that ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. So I enrolled her for a blindfold.
Okay, so was it easy? So what I have also heard, came to know that you were sitting with her for each and every session and making some notes and also giving her the practice.
Yes.
So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಓ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So was it easy or she has put lot of effort to learn that?
No, it's not so easy because the cube has a different color and different combinations are there. So for ಅದು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ it's very actually difficult. ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು she has to make a sequence, then she has to make a story for that, then she has to remember that and she has to solve.
Okay.
So it's quite difficult actually. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 3 to 3 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾಗಿ we can't do this blindfolding. Better you should go the class ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ it could be better.
Okay. So even blindfold Punarva has learnt online, and today she achieved a feat in International Book of Records, solving how many cubes blindfolded?
10 cubes.
10 2 into 2 cubes she solved closing her eyes blindfolded. So that we will share all the other details of that in the future. So this is her recent and the latest feat what she has looked for to get an award. So ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀಯಾ about ಸರ್ and Brain Studio? ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಂಜಿತ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಎರಡು ಈಸಿ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು what do you suggest for any of the people who are watching this?
blindfold ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ really it is very good for them. Better class ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it's good ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it is very good.
Okay. So apart from that, one question relating to the academics or about her changes. Have you seen any improvements after you have put her into the Rubik's Cube classes? Because everybody says concentration improve, focus all the other areas. Have you seen in particular any of these areas?
Yes, especially mathematics. She has improved a lot and she shows much more interest in mathematics. And
okay.
she can able to recall the things very easily, especially the formulas and all. The memory it is very helpful in terms.
Okay, great. Okay then. So thank you very much, Punarva and Mo, for coming and sharing your wonderful thoughts and ideas in Brain Studio. Thank you.
Thank you. I would like to thank Mr. Srinivas Murthy and Mrs. Sanjana ma'am, Sujana ma'am and Sanjit sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Yeah, bye.